little clip rollers, you know, fuck it, why not, guys? It's okay.
You only got a flashlight.
What's up, dude?
What's your name?
Yeah.
Hey, what?
Alright, YouTube. We'll check out in a sec here.
I might actually watch this video.
Yeah, you can watch it all you want. Trust me, it helps a lot.
What are you gonna name it?
You what?
You're live right now?
Yeah.
What are you gonna name the thing?
We're gonna find that out later. I gotta figure out the whole video first, and then I'll figure out the name. Oh.
Hey, is there a way you can see the video on your GoPro?
Yeah. You can.
Look at that.
Yeah. There's like 2 screens, so it's pretty nice.
On left, right. Never put that shit in. So I can basically watch it here.
Yeah, you could.
Watch it on the way. We're gonna put it out tomorrow, though, right? Like,
Yeah, I'm gonna edit it tonight, and I'm gonna post it tomorrow.
yeah. Cause it's gonna be pretty late by tomorrow.
Yeah.
You give money to your subscribers?
Not yet. I might make merch. I might make merch soon, like actual like hoodies and stuff.
Like hoodies like this.
Yeah, exactly.
But except a little better.
Yep. Yeah, except a little better
And
indeed.
maybe put your motorcycle on it.
Yep. So what I'm doing, that's my YouTube name right there. So I'm gonna make a lot of merch in regards to this. Yep. Soul Rider Sully. Good? Okay. Alright, fuck it. Good old Tampa bike night. Actually, this is more St. Pete than it is Tampa, but it's Dandy Bridge, so whatever. I don't give a fuck. Just no, just a heads up. There's cops at the other end of the bridge.
Grab my ass and fuck my.
And they just went over there, so I doubt they're leaving anytime soon.
Yeah, we're about to go back to the
Okay.
Just coming over here because I want to get a drink.
Ah, fair enough, fair enough.
Sorry,
Closer to like Walmart's and Sam's Clubs. What about a GS?
We're about to go back there.
Alright, bet.
Like government service? They make good money. I've been looking into
I'll be
it.
down there,
My buddy's
so.
wife does that.
I'll be down there, so
Alright, we're about
I'll
to
see you
go.
there.
Someone we're talking to wants me to prove that you're a YouTuber. So I'm gonna show him your thing.
Alright.
Yeah, that's it. Instagram or something. Isn't it?
No, it ain't.
It's Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube.
Yeah, TikTok and YouTube. Gotcha.
All three. I'm gonna link them up.
I got lucky.
They just made it sound like you were a big YouTuber because they said you had a YouTube tag.
Not yet. Not yet.
Yeah, of course, of course.
didn't make
I'll say I'm pretty big on Insta, but that's about it right
You
now.
gotta start somewhere, man.
100 something subscribers.
You gotta start
125
somewhere,
right now.
That was making it seem like that. Not me. That was
It's not too bad. I like it.
you know? Nice bike though.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
subscribe button.
I gotta change the battery, then we'll be right back. This shit, fucking little bike meet, car meet style thing going on. Fucking shit's getting crazy, so I'm gonna head out here in a bit. Fucking, we're gonna get some rollers, whatever the fuck. I don't know. Don't know. Don't care. Whatever. because I know this is running and it always does. Guess what? I gotta do scheduled maintenance on this hoe. So, fortunately, that, and I gotta edit a fuckload of videos. I'm 5 days late. I know you guys are gonna see this and be like, oh, that's his timeline. Because like this video is gonna be the last one to make because I already pre-recorded another video of Tampa Joe's and like wheelie practice and shit. So yeah, it's gonna be sick. Stay tuned for whatever else I got going on. 1 second while I open this garage and we'll cut it right back. Anyway, we're back. Yeah, just going out more, fucking hanging out with people, you know what I'm saying? Got a lot of life things looking up, you know what I'm saying, genuinely trying to learn new things, try new things, go out to more bike lanes, and generally just all around and enjoy the bike life again, because I've been out of it for a little bit here. Not that you guys know that because it's like the videos keep doing, right? But yeah, I gotta clean this fucking garage. Anyways, check out the dirt bikes, you know. Shout out Lisa and Gracie for those, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, enjoy the video, guys. I hope you guys like, subscribe, you know, it supports me, it supports the content that I'm putting out. It gives me some drive, some purpose, you know. And I love putting out this stuff. It's more for me, in all honesty. I don't really, it has to be for me for a while. I mean, personal things, you know what I'm saying, Other than that, deuces YouTube.